What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I am the Mustang Hunter. If you want to get caught up and spun up on everything I do on here, go ahead and swing over to my playlist, which I'll post down below. That way you can see all my peg hunting videos as well as my Free It Friday. So hopefully you stick around long enough to become part of the Mustang Hunter DIECAST family by clicking that little subscribe button down over here. So today we're going to be looking at the Johnny Lightning custom Camaro right here in this bright yellow pearl. The one thing I do like about Johnny Lightning is whatever cast or factory car they give, they'll put the paint code that the actual car comes in or what the cast comes in. So this is a bright yellow pearl. This is version A, release 2. You can see right here, it is the special anniversary edition. It's number 1 of 3812. On the back, it kind of gives you a little brief description and history of Johnny Lightning. But these are the 6 vehicles that are in this release right here. You got the 57 Bel Air, 1964.5 Mustang convertible, 70s Dodge Charger funny car, the George Barris ice cream truck, 69 GTO Judge, which is a great car, and then of course this one being number 6, the custom Camaro. So yeah, this car is really cool, guys. It is way different than your standard Camaro, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so we can take a closer look. There we go. Look at that little double blister action right there. All right, guys, so check out this detail right there. Look at those wheels. The way they detailed that chrome lip with the matte finish steelies and then the chrome center cap makes it look like it's an actual 3-piece wheel. And then of course the real riders just look really nice on there, and I do love the fact that they have the big wheels in back, smaller ones up front. This is a little different than your traditional 69 Camaro. You can tell it's a 69 just by this side body line right here that comes right off this fender. 69 Camaros have that, 67, 68s don't. You can see on the back it is fully custom. Nothing about this Camaro is how the actual Camaros look. The front end is not the traditional 69 Camaro, and neither is the rear. It looks like there's a 4 stacked bar tail light in there, which is definitely different from the Camaro. Now it does look like it has an opening hood. We'll go ahead and see. There we go. Really sweet orange block right there. Looks like it's dual carbureted, and I do like the matte black engine bay. And then it's got some stamping codes on there, so pretty sweet that it actually has an opening hood. I do like the fact that it has, it's not really a side exhaust, it kind of looks like a side step, but I'm not really sure because it does have the manifolds or the headers coming out the side right there. But the tires look really nice and beefy. It's all metal, so it's pretty heavy. You can see right here on the side, I believe it says custom Camaro right there on the fender. You do have some tampos for the front ambers as well as the rear reflectors on the side bumpers. Tail lights, everything is actually really good tampo work. Even the headlights have a slight white tampo on there. This car has some pretty cool history to it. This is supposed to be one of the lost Topper cars. Now, Topper used to own Johnny Lightning until they went out of business and closed down in 1971, and Johnny Lightning's been owned by multiple companies. I think right now they're under RC2. Even on the bottom right here, they still have the Playing Mantis stamping on there. Now, if you didn't notice earlier when I was rotating this and looking underneath this hole right here, I didn't think too much into it until I started reading up on this car. Now, Topper Cars did make a custom Camaro, but it was a prototype and it was never released. So when Johnny Lightning did it, they used their cast and made it their own and actually released it. And this is what it was supposed to be like, the 1969 real beefy all metal body car. And at that time they claimed to be the fastest 164 diecast car out there without using batteries or any type of motors to get these cars going. What they used was a molded hook, like a catapult, and that hook would latch onto the bottom of this, and let's say you have the post here, you latch the hook on, you pull it, release, and it goes. So I thought that was really cool how they actually kept the roots and the tradition of this casting and car on this. This is the only Johnny Lightning, I believe, as of this release that's going to have this, because this is one of the missing topper cars, was the 69 Camaro. It does talk about it briefly right here. The original Topper custom Camaro was never produced under the Topper brand. Only one prototype directly from Topper Toys is known to exist. The designer Mike Gruthius over at Johnny Lightning was the one that specifically chose this cast to remake and design for the Johnny Lightning brand, which is really, really sweet. So definitely a cool cast. It does have nice detail. The paint job looks immaculate. It's very, very nicely done. The detail work on those wheels are amazing. I love how they have the chrome lip but a matte finish on the steelies, and then you do have the chrome center cap. So I do love that it looks like a three-piece rim, but it's really not. It's just the way they put that detail on there. Historically, when they were trying to compete with Mattel and Hot Wheels and all that, they were selling one Johnny Lightning to 3 of the Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels was still killing it back in the day. Like I mentioned in my other videos, guys, I don't just like Mustangs. I'm a huge Mustang enthusiast, but I also appreciate the Camaros. Actually, any car, really. I'm just a car guy, so I appreciate any car that is well built, that is fast, and just looks great. So this 69 Camaro looks really good, especially in this yellow. This car is very, very sweet. I thought it was really cool to have the history behind this car. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.